there are so many patients who have this very common question before they are trying to do hair transplant surgery. So the question is my brain safe during hair transplant procedure? Is there any risk to my brain during hair transplant surgery? And their relatives, their parents are also concerned that during hair transplant surgery there is prominent risk to brain. You should not go for it. There is a very high chance that your brain will be damaged. So today we will be discussing about this point, and keep watching.
Magical experience your maybe short time. You are very good hands. I am very happy to work with you.
Hi. This is Dr. Galani, founder and chief hair transplant surgeon at RQC Hair Transplant Center, Surat, India. So as I said, so many patients, their parents, their relatives, they are concerned that when you go for hair transplant there is risk to your brain will get damaged. So is it true? Let's find out. In your screen I'll be showing you one picture. In that picture, as you can see, there is hair and there is also brain. So let's see, where is hair transplant going to be performed and where is your brain located. So in this picture, in very superficial part, there are your hairs. These are your hairs. So where are they getting end? The end of your hair is here in the dermis, in the subcutaneous tissue. So this is approximately 0.5 to 1 centimeter of the part in which your hair are located. So after there is one more layer. After there is another one layer, and this is your skull. This is your skull. So then the important part of your scalp, your brain, is beginning. So after skull there are some layers, there are other layers, and then the main important part, our brain, is going to be here. So as you can see in this picture, your hair are quite superficial. So I can say hair transplant procedure is very superficial procedure. Your hair are very superficial. It is almost 0.5 to 1 centimeter in your skin. So hair transplant is very superficial, and your brain is located very down in your skull, and which is located very safely in very protective manner. So definitely your brain is safe during your hair transplant procedure. So if you are wondering, if you have doubt that my brain is at risk, or your parents are concerned, so it is not true. Your brain is completely safe. You can go for hair transplant surgery anytime. I hope I have solved your query successfully, but still you have more questions regarding this point or any other point, please put down the comments in comment box, and I will try to give you answer as soon as possible. Also, you can call our helpline number. You can talk with our hair experts, who will be very happy to explain you in detail about your concerns. Till next video, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.